Let's take you back to one of our earlier stories. Women scientists and researchers are being honored tonight in Bloemfontein. The Deputy Minister is speaking there. Let's take you live there.
Is a powerful reflection of how this platform nurtures excellence and enables transformation careers in research and innovation. You'll be surprised, those of you who do not know Dr. Mzilikazi. She looks very young, but looking at her history, it's quite surprising. We are so grateful to have you, Dr. Mzilikazi. SAWiSA's relevance continues to grow each year, with its impact amplified by rotating the hosting across provinces, as our program director has alluded to that. This approach fosters the national appreciation and celebrates outstanding women from each host province. In line with this tradition, one of the categories this year, 2025, SAWiSA, has been rebranded as the DSTI Dr. Ivy Matsepe Kasaburi Fellowships, honoring the legacy of a trailblazer in education, in science policy, in ICT development. Dr. Matsepe Kasaburi was an advocate for the dignity of the underprivileged and the empowerment of the girl child through education. I would like to acknowledge the presence of her representatives this evening. Thank you very much to the family that you are with us. Thank you. This year's theme places women's voices at the center of the STI discourse. It calls for amplifying their stories to inspire systemic change, breaking gender stereotypes in STEM, creating inclusive spaces for innovation and leadership, and strengthening mentorship and visibility to support career progression, adaptation from UNESCO's International Day of Women and Girls Science. The theme aligns with global efforts to promote equity and inclusion in STEM. The commemorative book that I said we are launching also has also inspired the launch of a dedicated SAWiSA Lincoln alumni platform. This initiative aims to foster long-term connections, peer mentorship, and visibility of SAWiSA winners as public science ambassadors. It will serve as a space to shape opportunities, to shape achievements and collaborations while enhancing impact, tracking, and making sure that there is a continuous engagement with all the alumni in that platform. Beyond celebrating excellence, SAWiSA reaffirms government's commitment to supporting women in STEM and building an inclusive research and innovation ecosystem. This year's finalists, both emerging and established, have produced groundbreaking work across a wide spectrum of discipline. In humanities and social sciences category, their research addresses mental health, justice, violence prevention, disability inclusive health system, and feminist and decolonial knowledge production. These contributions speaks directly to the lived experiences of women and marginalized communities, advancing equity in education, healthcare, religion, and public policy. In the natural and engineering sciences category, finalists are advancing knowledge in pain science, pediatric critical care, genomics, plant pathology, and environmental chemistry. Their work responds to urgent national priorities such as sustainable agriculture, antimicrobial resistance, and clear technologies. Equally impactful are the finalists in the public engagement with the research category, whose work in education, immunology, and public health is reshaping how science is communicated and applied for societal benefit. From pioneering literacy initiative into indigenous language to enhancing health communication around neglected diseases, these researchers are forging vital connections between science and society. The new generation of scientists, the recipients of the Dr. Matsepe Kataburi Fellowship, are conducting innovative research in cancer therapy, biomedical engineering, nanotechnology, climate psychology, and construction management. Their work is both locally grounded and globally relevant, addressing challenges such as green nanofertilizers, disease diagnostic, antimicrobial resistance, and integrated of artificial intelligence in hospitals and in hospital management. What stands out most among all SAWiSA finalists is their unwavering commitment to inclusive excellence.
And that is the Deputy Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation, that is Nomalungelo Gina. They're addressing the awards ceremony tonight. And this is the Women in Science Awards, quite a big night. It always happens around this time of the year. So certainly will be interesting to see the winners, and we'll continue then to bring you developments. And do watch out for a story that will at least be then comprehensive enough to tell you who won tonight and in what category did they make us proud.